Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Acura MDX. First, park your vehicle safely and make sure the engine is running or in accessory mode. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings menu. Locate the Bluetooth option and activate it, allowing your phone to become discoverable to other devices. This crucial step ensures that your car can detect your phone when you initiate the pairing process. Once your phone is ready, press the talk button located on your steering wheel. The car's hands-free link system will then prompt you for a command. Clearly state phone setup to access the pairing options. Listen for the system to confirm your command, then proceed to select the pair option. You might use the steering wheel selector buttons or simply say pair when the system presents the choice. Now, the car's display will show a list of available Bluetooth devices. Find your specific mobile device's name and select it from this list. The system will then ask you for a 4-digit PIN. This is almost always 0000 for an initial connection. Type these 4 zeros into your phone when prompted. Finally, confirm the pairing on your phone and the car's display, usually by pressing OK or Accept. After successful pairing, make a quick test call to confirm that the audio is routed through your car's speakers. If you encounter any issues, first try restarting both your phone and the car's hands-free link system. A common solution is to delete any existing Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's memory, then begin the setup from the very first step. Ensure only one device attempts to connect at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.